What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about SumUp. SumUp is a leading financial technology company that provides innovative payment solutions for small businesses. With its user-friendly point-of-sale system, mobile card readers, and online payment tools, SumUp empowers entrepreneurs to streamline their operations and grow their ventures efficiently. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Comprehensive POS system. SumUp's point-of-sale system is a powerful solution designed to meet the diverse needs of small businesses like restaurants, salons, spa, and retail stores. It offers a user-friendly interface for seamless sales management, allowing businesses to take orders, accept various payment types, and manage transactions effortlessly. The POS system also provides robust employee management tools, enabling businesses to create staff profiles with customized access levels, track employee performance, and facilitate tipping. Additionally, it stores customer details and purchase history, enabling personalized service and targeted marketing efforts. The inventory management feature ensures businesses can track stock levels and identify best sellers, while the reporting capabilities generate insightful daily, weekly, and monthly reports on sales, inventory, and employee performance across multiple locations. The POS hardware is portable, making it an ideal solution for businesses operating at markets, pop-ups, or on the go. Versatile card readers. SumUp offers a range of mobile card readers to cater to diverse needs of businesses. The SumUp Plus and SumUp Plus Cradle bundle are affordable options that connect via Bluetooth and can process over 500 transactions per charge. For businesses requiring more advanced features, the SumUp Solo and SumUp Solo Printer bundle connect via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and mobile data, with the latter including a portable receipt printer. These card readers are portable, efficient to set up, and multifunctional, allowing businesses to create catalog, track transactions, and accept payments anywhere, ensuring a seamless customer experience. Engaging loyalty program. SumUp's loyalty program, formerly known as 5 Stars, is a powerful tool designed to help businesses retain customers and acquire new ones. It offers automated marketing capabilities, sending promotions and rewards to customers to keep them engaged. The program also promotes the business to nearby non-competing SumUp merchants' customers, facilitating customer acquisition. Customers can earn and redeem rewards seamlessly using their phone numbers, enhancing the overall customer experience. The program tracks customer activity, purchases, and rewards in a centralized dashboard, providing valuable insights into customer behavior and enabling data-driven decision-making. Streamlined business banking. SumUp offers a free business bank account with a MasterCard debit card, providing a convenient and cost-effective solution for businesses. The account can be set up quickly with no upfront costs, and there are no overdraft fees or additional charges for using the debit card. Businesses can enjoy next-day payouts when used with a SumUp merchant account, ensuring quick access to funds from sales. This feature streamlines finances and eliminates the need for separate business banking solutions, simplifying operations for small businesses. Efficient online invoicing. SumUp's invoicing feature enables business to create professional invoices via the app or web browser with ease. Customers can pay invoices securely online without needing an app or account, enhancing the customer experience. Businesses can share payment links through email, SMS, WhatsApp, or messaging platforms, providing customers with convenient payment options. The ability to track the status of invoices and monitor payment received ensures businesses maintain control over their cash flow. This feature empowers businesses to request and receive payments remotely, improving cash flow and customer satisfaction. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. As SumUp is an e-money institution and not a traditional bank, deposits in their business accounts are not protected by the FCCS. This means that if SumUp were to become insolvent, account holders could potentially lose their funds held with the company. Traditional bank accounts offer this protection, which safeguards customers' deposit. SumUp's business account does not allow customers to deposit cash or check into their account. This could be a significant drawback for businesses that frequently receive payments in these forms. Traditional bank accounts typically offer the ability to deposit cash and checks, providing more flexibility for businesses to manage their finances. SumUp's business account only supports inbound and outbound payments to and from other UK bank accounts. This means that businesses cannot use the account to make or receive international payments or transfer funds in different currencies. For businesses that operate globally or have international clients or suppliers, this limitation could be a significant disadvantage, as they would need to rely on separate accounts or services for international transactions. With its innovative suite of payment solutions, point-of-sale systems, and business tools, SumUp empowers small businesses to streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive growth efficiently. As a leading financial technology company, SumUp remains committed to providing affordable and user-friendly solutions that cater to the evolving needs of entrepreneurs worldwide. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.